Hello everyone, this is English Phonics. Teach your child to be a super reader. This is very fast and easy way that you can teach your child. Let's start. The sound of letters. In this method we teach the sounds, not the letters. Basically this is letter A and the sound is A, not A, not A. This is letter A and the sound is A, A, not A, not A, A, A. Basically A. It's better when you start to teach your child a writing letter. You must have the 3 lines pages. It's very easy to teach them from the dotted line. They should start from the dotted line and go around, then up and then down. This is the writing worksheet. You can use this for them to be practiced, but be careful. First you have to start from the 2 or 3 letters per day, then you should increase all the letters formation. And there is an application for air tracing. The kids of almost 1 or 1.5 year of age can do this practice, the air tracing. This is very good application. I will show you